Hello there. Today I am on Zearn to show you how to log in and access content on Zearn. Your facilitator should have given you a login card such as the one I'm showing you on your screen. It's going to give you a few pieces of really critical information. First is going to be the class code. You'll actually find your class code here. It'll give you some directions on how to access Zearn. So using any web browser, you can go to zearn.org. If you're on an iPad, you should already have a tile assigned to you on the iPad for Zearn. It's also going to give you your username and password for Zearn. So now I'll jump over to Zearn. And we're going to use the sign in with Google because our usernames and passwords are our Google single sign-on email and password. So if I go sign in with Google, I'll choose my name. If not, go ahead and type in your pequayvalley.net email. It's your first name underscore last name at pequayvalley.org, and then put in your Google password. Your facilitator, when they gave you that card, should have included the class code. I'll go ahead and put that here now and join the class. And now I should be able to see I've got content assigned to me here in this pod. I can also start the number gym here. I can go to any of the content that I've been assigned to my facilitator here in the My Stuff, and I can start working through the sequential missions that I have here on my dashboard. So that's how you can get signed in to Zearn using your pequayvalley.net Google single sign-on email address. I hope that this tutorial was helpful, and as always, thank you for watching.